Howdy folks, welcome back to the farm. I'm Matt and I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching with us. I've got a project that I'm going to be working on today that I've been wanting to do for a couple years. We picked up an antique farm bell and we're going to refurbish it, give it a good coat of paint and get it on a post and get it erected. It's probably mostly a decoration, but we can use it to let people know where we are, maybe call people in. It's really loud. You can hear it from a long ways away. But join us, take a look at the bell, look how we refurbish it. And if you like what we're doing, hit the like and subscribe button. We appreciate that. We'll see you soon. All right, folks, so what we have here is a number 3 farm bell. It's rather large. It's got a holder here for it. It's made by the CS Bell Company. We picked this up at an estate sale, antique show a couple years ago, and I've been wanting to get this thing refurbished, painted, and erected. So hang tight with us. We're gonna show you what we do to get it in shape and get it out there. All right, guys, we're down at the shop trying to stay a little bit out of the wind. I've got trusty Rust-Oleum. This is a primer and paint all in one. We're gonna give it a shot. It's high gloss and enamel black. So we're gonna give it a shot and let it dry here for a little bit and go from there.
me drag it off the thing real quick.
Gotta make sure.
You want that whole thing?
Yeah. Yep, you're exactly right.
I almost snapped my ankle, almost fell in the hole with my foot. All right, what do you think, level-wise?
You want to hold it there? I'll put some dirt. You gonna put concrete in there first?
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold it steady?
Yeah, I'll hold it steady. You want to bust it?
Oh, yeah. Make sure it's level.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Just around it. Somewhere in here.
You want the whole bag in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll get it. I lost it myself. Still straight.
Mm-hmm.
You want to guide it in? You got one? Yeah. Alright. I don't know. Good job. Didn't screw it up. Alright, ring it. Ring it off kilter.